Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda Shadow 750, a bike that keeps the spirit of classic cruisers alive while embracing modern refinements. Whether you're a seasoned rider or looking for a reliable midsize cruiser, this latest Shadow is worth a closer look. Timeless design with modern touches. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 stays true to its classic roots with a low-slung stance, teardrop fuel tank, and wide handlebars. However, subtle updates make it more refined. The blacked-out engine, sleek LED lighting, and fresh color options give it a contemporary appeal while maintaining that unmistakable Shadow silhouette. Smooth and reliable V-twin performance. At the heart of the Shadow 750 is Honda's proven 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. Known for its smooth power delivery and reliability, this engine offers plenty of low-end torque, making city cruising and highway riding equally enjoyable. The fuel-injected system ensures crisp throttle response and efficiency, keeping long rides worry-free. Comfort and handling. One of the biggest draws of the Shadow 750 is its comfort. The low seat height of around 25.6 inches makes it accessible to a wide range of riders. The well-padded saddle and relaxed ergonomics ensure a comfortable ride whether you're commuting or touring. The 41M front forks and dual rear shocks provide a balanced ride, absorbing bumps with ease. Technology and features. Honda keeps things simple yet effective. The 2025 Shadow 750 comes with an updated digital display, offering essential ride information at a glance. The LED headlight and taillight improve visibility and enhance the bike's modern appeal. Honda also includes a slipper clutch for smoother downshifts and reduced hand fatigue on long rides. Braking and safety. For 2025, Honda continues to offer the Shadow 750 with an optional ABS model. The front disc and rear drum brake setup provide reliable stopping power, and with ABS you get an extra layer of safety, especially in wet or slippery conditions. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is a perfect blend of classic cruiser styling and modern functionality. It's reliable, comfortable, and easy to ride, making it an excellent choice for both new and experienced riders. Whether you're looking for a daily commuter or a weekend cruiser, the Shadow 750 remains a solid contender. That's it for today's look at the 2025 Honda Shadow 750. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Buzz for more motorcycle insights and reviews. Ride safe and see you in the next one.